To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll be starting to solve the problems on borrowing cost. So the question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question or at least pause the video and write down the question. A company borrowed a loan of rupees 9 lakh. So company is borrowing a loan and that loan amount is 9 lakh rupees. Okay. At 6% interest per annum. So this 6% interest, it is borrowing a loan of 6% interest, and this loan was borrowed on 1/4/2010 to construct the qualifying asset. So the loan was obtained to construct the qualifying asset. The construction started. So now the construction of qualifying asset, it started. Okay, the construction was started on 31st May 2010 and it was concluded or ended on 1/2/2011. So how many months the asset was constructed? Start counting from June. June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. February we should not consider because February 1st only it is completed. So 8 months. So company took 8 months to complete the construction of the asset. The company incurred 11 lakhs to construct the asset. So to construct this qualifying asset, the cost for constructing the qualifying asset was 11 lakh rupees. Find borrowing cost capitalized. So in order to find the borrowing cost, we will follow certain step. Step number 1. It is calculation of interest. First interest na calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Calculation of interest. First, ಎಷ್ಟು loan amount ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು, how much they have taken loan? 9 lakh rupees into what is the rate of interest? 6%, means 6 divided by 100. So 9 lakh into 6 divided by 100 will be 54,000. Now this complete 54,000 will not be capitalized. Complete 54,000 ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಸೆಟ್, ಆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Till the asset is constructed, only up to that particular period of time the interest will be capitalized. Okay, so they have taken 8 months of duration. So in this 54,000, only the 8 months interest will be capitalized. Out of 12 months, 8 months interest will be capitalized. 54,000 into 8 divided by 12, it is 36,000. So this 36,000 will be capitalized borrowing cost. So this will be considered as borrowing cost. Remaining means what? 54,000 minus 36,000. We get 18,000. This 18,000 will go to statement of profit or loss. It is P&L account because it will be not considered as a borrowing cost. Only 36,000 will be considered as a borrowing cost because it is a cost incurred in construction of asset. Remaining this 18,000 interest we will pay after the asset is constructed. ಈ 18,000 ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ಅದು ಅಸೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಬರುವಂತ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? PPE ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ. Till the construction of asset or till the asset start working, whatever the interest is incurred, that is only considered as directly attributable cost. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ value of asset to be reported. Now first ಅದಕ್ಕೆ again step is there. First is construction cost. Okay, for that construction cost, we need to add the borrowing cost capitalized. Borrowing cost capitalized. That time we will get reporting value of the asset, or the value at which the asset will be reported. So what is the construction cost? Construction cost is 11 lakh rupees. Construction cost is to 11 lakh rupees. What is BC capitalized? It is 36,000. Borrowing cost capitalized is 36,000. 11 lakh plus 36,000 is 11 lakh 36,000. This is the reporting value of asset. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. In my future videos, we'll solve many problems like this. If you have any doubt while solving the problem, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box. I'll try to clarify your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.
If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.